Hello Year 3. In today's lesson we're going to be thinking about how we can make our readers care more about what happens in our stories. And the way to do this is put in lots of feelings. Let's look at an example. On the sheet here I've started a bit of dialogue. Remember, I've gone 2 fingers in, my indent, I've put my speech mark, and I've written, "I feel sad," said Bear. Full stop. Now then, if we actually walked in and we saw a little girl in nursery playing with Bear, if she wanted to show that Bear was sad, she'd probably do something like this. Let's see that again. He puts his head down, he kind of crouches his arms in, he shakes a little bit and he starts to cry. So where I've got "I feel sad," one thing I can do to make the reader care a little bit more is, instead of writing "said," I can cross that out and maybe I can put "wailed." "I feel sad," wailed Bear. And it would probably be better if I changed that comma there into an exclamation mark. "I feel sad," wailed Bear. But what would be even better is if I put in some of those actions I was just doing with the bear a second ago. So maybe I could write something like, "He stared down at his feet and started to rock back and forth." He stared down at his feet and started to rock back and forth. This is showing that he's upset. I'll just do one more line of dialogue and another feeling to go with it. So maybe his mum would say, "What is the matter?" asked Mum. This is very simple dialogue, but I'm just getting you to see the point about putting in lots of the feelings. And his mum was probably looking concerned, won't she? And when mums look concerned, she might do something like this. She looked at Bear and frowned, because her frowning shows she's a bit worried. One last little feeling from Bear. Let's imagine a little tear falling. A tear fell from the end of Bear's nose. Full stop. I'm putting in lots of feelings alongside what people said. "I feel sad," wailed Bear. He stared down at his feet and started to rock back and forth. "What's the matter?" asked Mum. She looked at Bear and frowned. A tear fell from the end of Bear's nose. By putting in feelings, just like the one we've done here, will make the reader really care about Bear in my piece. And if you put in feelings, it'll make the reader care about your characters.